Hola Bonitas, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a mini little cleanup and redecorating of a room, and you guys have guessed it if you watched my haul, which is my last video. We are redecorating the guest bedroom. My mom is coming over next week, so I want to have it all nice and pretty for her. There's only so much I can take out of the room since we also use it for like my Bed Bonita stuff. So let's make it pretty for her, and let's see how much we can get done today. I do plan on like washing the blankets and stuff, just because, you know, they collect dust if no one's using them. So if you want a little motivation to redecorate a room or kind of dust off here and there, then this video is for you. So keep watching and let's get to it. All right, bonitas, this room was looking like a hot mess. Blankets were all different kinds of colors, pillows were everywhere, we had stuff all over here. We would use this also kind of like of a storage room. Once you have a house and you have multiple rooms that you don't necessarily use, they start to become storage. So find a home for everything that you buy and do not overbuy, because then you're just going to fill up your house with a whole bunch of stuff. And keep in mind, it's just the two of us and a baby and a dog. We don't need that much stuff, so we have to concise. So that is my tip to you. All right, now that the blankets are in the wash, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this stand, remove the dust and all the lint that was on it, as well as these curtains. These curtains have to go. I did purchase new ones, so you'll see the new ones and how much more light it brings into the room. And of course, make sure we dust off and remove all the dirt from the windows and spider webs up at the corner, because you know that if you hardly use a room, spider webs will appear.
Far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that.
I love everything white, so these curtains made a perfect accent to this room since the walls are more of a cream color. And we do have some roller shades for more privacy at night, so my mom won't have to worry about anyone looking in the window. But anyway, the back to our house, it's a whole bunch of trees, so it's not like anybody could see. But here we went ahead and moved the bed in the middle. This room is kind of small, so I didn't think it would look good, but I actually really liked it. It gives the room a more nice and cozy feel, other than having it up against the wall. I didn't go too crazy on the nightstand decor. It was just that little plant or faux plant that I bought from Marshall's, if you watch my last Marshall's haul. And the humidifier, if she needs it. We don't need it in a room, so I just left it in there. And a remote control for the TV, because she loves watching her TV, so I had that accessible to her. And of course, just taking stuff out of that room that do not belong there and that I should find a home for it in our closet or in our storage area.
Coming back, yeah, know that.
Hey bonitas, as you can see, I'm wearing a new outfit. It is a whole new day. I ended up just washing everything yesterday. It took some time, and by the time it was already nighttime, and I wanted to film this in the day with all the light. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and make the bed. My mom doesn't like too many pillows, so it's just, you know, I had those two new pillows. I added them for her, and you know, that cute little roll. And that's the final look for the room. It's just very clean. That side silhouette mannequin that I have is just for decor, and that's it. Like I said, my Viva Bonita stuff is also in there, so there's not much I could remove from there. I've now moved on to the bathroom that she will be using. I had previously deep cleaned it, so I just needed to give it a mop, and now we get to decorate it with the pretty new towels, which I absolutely love. I do want to make this room really girly, and eventually I want to even like paint it and get a new vanity once Angelique is able to use it, if we're still in this home. And now the new mats, which I absolutely love. I need to get another pair for the master bathroom. And that is it for today, bonitas. I hope you like this super fast clean with me and decorate, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, bonitas.